Pasok na tayo, guys. We're here. We're here na. Wow, look at that.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Tao. Rico. Yan. So, yan ang kanilang front door. Yeah. Pasok na tayo. So, hey guys! So, now, nakapili na kami ng kwarto. So, napili ko yung nasa baba na lang yung malapit sa door. So, yan yung door. Entrance. So, ito yung kwartong napili ko. So, pagpasok nyo ng door, meron siyang actually malaking cabinet. So, ito yung toilet first. Toilet. Ooh, look at that. That's how big the bathroom toilet. Yan. So, ito yung sink nila. And they have a really good mirror in here. At saka ang bango pa. Ang bango. Kasi ito yung lalagayan nila ng towel. So, on this hallway here, meron silang malaking wardrobe. So, this is not the master bed. I'm pretty sure of that. I think the master bed is upstairs, I'm guessing. So, ang laki. So, you can put a lot of clothes in here. Yan. Diba? So, sliding door ang kanyang wardrobe. Kasya-kasya pag may nagtago pala dito, pwedeng magtago. So, ito yung bed namin for 2 nights. Pero yung mga bata, dun matutulog sa taas. So, sama-sama silang lahat. So, excuse lang my hair, guys, kasi medyo mahangin sa labas kanina. And I'll show you. Meron pa isang hallway dito. I think this is the walk-in closet as well, I believe. So, saan ang ilaw nito? Oh, there you go. Yan. How good is that, right? Ito yung walk-in closet with a big mirror. Wow. And same closet, 3 doors, sliding doors. Which is a good idea. Instead of yung pintuan, nakakasave ng space pag sliding door talaga yung doors ng iyong closet. Yep. And meron silang, ito, I'll show you the big drawers, no? The whole thing is drawers, which is, if ever I have a house as well, I love drawers because I like to organize all my stuff. So, this is a good, idea na super dami ng drawers nila. I don't know how much clothes you can put in here. You can put everything. So, that's a lot. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 drawers. So, 15. And then, meron pa silang little cabinets on top as well. See? May mga cabinets pa. And then in between, they have mirrors. And then this is just a push cabinet. Pupush mo lang siya. Tapos, ganon. Twink! Yan, ay. Sira ko ba? Ano? Pasok natin. Sira ko pa. Sorry. Yan, maninira pa ako ng gamit eh. Yan. Okay. So, yan guys. Yan yung napili kong kwarto. And itutur ko na kayo sa buong bahay. That's the main entrance, which is really big door. And then when you go in here, there may steps tayo. 3 steps. And then you go see the big kitchen, which is, that's Emma. Emma ganda. Yeah. And both sides of the kitchen, meron silang drawer yan. Both sides nitong table kitchen. It is island. They call it island. And then, yeah. And then, when you go, mamaya na tayo dun pupunta. So, when we go here, this is the basement. All the way to the basement. And, ito is private nakalagay kasi ito ay isang storage room. And someone open the storage room. Oh no. They need to close that. And dito ay isang toilet din. Dito for the visitors siguro to. Ito yung toilet ng mga visitors. And from besides, another bench. And then cabinet again. And I'll show you the driveway. So, ito yung door ng garage. And then, ito yung kotse. Paglalagyan ng kotse. So, you can fit 3 cars here. And you can another cars on the other side as well. So, 4 cars in total. Ang ganda, diba? Laki ng bahay. Very nice house. Okay, so let's move on to, so pag akyat dito, meron dito yung laundry area. And then again, so much cabinet that you can put everything. And then meron tayong dito yung sampayan nila. Yan. Ang kulit ng mga bata, oh. Okay, hey. So, I believe this is their dining area. And that area there is the TV room. So, they have their space to watch TV. And that side over there is just a living room. Jeremiah, that's your water. Okay. So the kids. Ay, Maya, look at your face. Maya, look at your face. Look at your face. Wipe a tissue. Wipe a tissue. Tissue. Get a tissue. No, tissue. I'll get you tissue. I'll get tissue first.
Everybody drinking apple juice?
Yes.
Apple juice.
Apple juice. And ito yung kanilang veranda or outdoor outdoor, which is really big outdoor na diretso dun sa ocean, 'di ba? Sobrang ganda, sobrang spacious at sobrang laki ng bahay. I will show you the whole thing. So it's really good for a beach holiday house, getaway house. If you wanna, come here in Australia. This is, yung location is Wyndham, and I'll show you the whole house, guys. Here you go. So that's the second floor. It's all salamin, glass, and that's the whole house. Which is really good. It's really, yan. Sobrang laki nitong bahay na to. And that's, yes. When you get out and then you can see the ocean, you can have a really good fresh air. Alright. So, let's go upstairs na. Now, let's go upstairs. Tayo. Takot yung hagdanan nila is actually sa floating stairs. As you can see at the edge, wala siyang dugtong. Floating stairs siya, which is really scary. And this is the second floor. So at the top, they have this thing here. So, ito yung napili, I believe, nila Emma. So, they have the good view from above. And then they can see the ocean, which is really, really good. It's nice to wake up if you have this view, no? Paggising mo agad, you can see the ocean, you can see the sun, the blue sky. It's so good. Yeah. This house is amazing. Again, too many drawers, which I love if ever I'm gonna build my own house. But to be honest, guys, I don't like big house. So gusto sakto lang. If ever I have a house, I kind of told my family, my sister, my brother to live with me instead if I'm going to have a big house. Because big house and apat lang kami, that's too much for me. So mas gusto ko pa rin na if I do a big house, gusto ko kasama ko yung mga pamilya ko doon. Kasi mas marami, mas masaya. Tsaka sama-sama na kayo. Tsaka parang hindi na rin mahirapan yung mga kapatid mo. Tsaka para sa akin okay yun. Sama-sama kami. Anyways, ito yung kanilang walk-in closet. And when you go, so open walk-in closet lang siya. And then from this part here, again, sliding door. This is a sliding door. I love sliding door. Spacious siya. And yan. Ito ang kanilang suite. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next room. The next room, so we have 4 rooms, 1 downstairs and 3 upstairs. So here, this is room para sa mga bata naman. So I believe kasha 1, 2, 3, 4. So, actually, so double bed. Meron ng sliding on the bottom. You can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kung gusto nilang tabi-tabi sila. And ito yung kanilang blinds. Yung blinds na to, ganito lang yan eh. Ganyan. Kahoy siya. Oops. Tutumba na ako. Yan. And then ito yung kanilang suite. Toilet, bathroom. And they have their walk-in closet din ng mga bata, no? Which is cute. Ang galing. They have this own walk-in closet. Hi! So, super ganda ng bahay na to. Nakakapagod pala pag ikaw lang may hawak ng phone mo. These shoulders getting masakit. This is the last room, which is Hannah and Jess chosen. And they have their bathrooms as well. Hi, Mommy Hannah! Subscribe pala si Mommy Hannah. Meron din siyang YouTube. Mommy Hannah, what's your YouTube, please?
Hannah Borja Perez.
Hannah
All things
Borja.
health, beauty, and mommy life.
He's gonna put a lot of healthy stuff in her. So, subscribes na kayo, guys. Subscribes. Ganon, madami yon. Subscribes. Diba? So, it's really beautiful house talaga. Pero sabi ko, I don't like big house. Kung malaki ang bahay, gusto maraming tao.
Exactly.
Yeah, para masaya. Alright! I think I'm pretty sure I'm done. Masakit sa kamay pala ito. No?
Imagine our camera.
Sakit. So, yeah. So, I believe I'm done. I'm done showing you guys the getaway. No, sorry. The holiday house na Actually, yung sponsor natin si Emma at si Ray. The birthday gift. Their birthday gift! So sweet, diba? Sobrang, very, very blessed ako sa mga friends kasi they're so nice. All of them. Tsaka, ang babait nila. Sobrang ang babait talaga nila. And, look at that. Yan yung door sa baba. Yeah, they're very blessed families. Wonderful, kind-hearted families. Kaya we're blessed. Me and Jerry are blessed with them as well. Being friends with them is so amazing. Yes! So, going down na ako, guys. Medyo masakit yung balikat ko. Pero okay lang yan. Titiisin natin yan. Alright, so marami pa tayong gagawin, guys, in a few days. So, see you guys in a bit. Bye-bye!